Hey there, welcome to the Orlando Science Center. I'm Eric Burris, resident nerd, joined by Zachary. Would you call yourself a nerd?
I would call myself a nerd,
Okay.
yes.
All right. So Zachary from the Science Center, and we are talking with it being near Pi Day.
Of course.
Brought out a couple of pies. What are we doing?
Yeah, so we're going to be doing our Will It Shatter segment.
Yeah.
Basically what we're going to do is we're going to freeze one of these pies in liquid nitrogen, smash it with a hammer, and ask the age-old question of will it shatter?
I feel like everybody loves to do this.
Yeah.
And if you can't be here in person like us, which is really cool, then at least we can bring it to you. So you're putting it in this plastic bowl here.
Yes, this is our cold bowl of science.
It's a cold bowl, and you're adding to it.
Yeah, so we're going to add our liquid nitrogen. This boils at negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit.
Negative 321 degrees.
And so it's really, really cold. It's actually going to draw out all of that water vapor in the air that we love to call humidity and turn it into our nice condensed water fog.
Now, you called this a cold bowl of science.
Yeah.
And why did you call it that?
Because it basically it's exactly what it is. It's designed to be able to handle those really, really cold temperatures of like that negative 300 plus degrees.
We couldn't do that with like a plastic bowl you have.
No, don't do that with your local punch bowls. It will shatter.
Yes. All right. So we're just going to give it the old college try making this explode.
Yeah, so we're going to do a control. We want to see first, would a regular mango key lime pie shatter?
Okay, I'm going to step away.
Yeah, definitely step back. It's probably going to get everywhere. We're going to smash in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Okay, so it successfully smashed.
Yeah, it did smash. I would say that was a good splatter.
Yeah.
But it was not a good shatter.
No, splatter, not shatter.
Yeah, let's check on our frozen die here.
And it's just, that's wild to see. All right, so you're bringing it out with tongs because you can't handle this.
Yes, I don't want to touch it because it is very, very cold.
Okay, it's steaming. It's so cold. I'm going to stand back away from this one too.
Definitely stand back again.
And in typical Gallagher style,
we will smash it with a big old hammer and ask the question, will it shatter? In 3, 2, 1. Our pie tin very much so shattered.
yes.
And we do have, like, you can see the surface of it is cracked and shattered.
Yeah.
But
It's like filling on the inside.
yeah, very interesting indeed.
Okay, so talk me through it.
Yeah, so what happens when things get really, really cold and they're already a solid, they'll turn into what we like to call a super solid here at the Science Center. And basically, its molecules get so close and so condensed that it either becomes very, very malleable, very bendy, or very brittle and easily breakable. Kind of think like a potato chip, easily crushable. And so a lot of things that are kind of soft and mushy, like this custard here, turns very brittle and shatters. So very, very interesting results indeed for Pi Day coming up.
And it's different than like when you break other items, like chickens, like we've seen.
Exactly, yes. Chickens would shatter differently. So different materials react differently to those cold. And so you can see if it'll shatter or not.
Science. I love it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And thank you for joining us for the Science Summit.